Does anybody even live in that apartment? Fritzy, come here. Can you kiss your dad? He wants to be a Showtime baby.
Yeah.
Hi.
Get me in the movies, Mom.
That's your dad. That's you. How cute are you? There you go. Yeah.
Thank you.
You like to kiss. And you like to kiss. You like to kiss. I didn't hear back from the Bark magazine today, Fritz.
Tomorrow.
It is a long weekend, though, remember. Whew.
Yeah.
You want to say goodbye to Lincoln?
Bye. Bye, Lincoln.
Let's show him from the boom.
That's funny. That's beautiful, funny giraffe.
You waiting for Dad to see what he's got?
Just got phone here. Hi.